we're unboxing peace of mind in the form of the Eufy Security Smart Lock and the Eufy Security Camera. What's up, guys? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today, we're deterring thieves, nosy neighbors, and solicitors, unless, of course, they're selling Girl Scout cookies, with the Eufy Smart Lock and Camera Bundle. You can never be too safe and secure in your own home, which is why I'm a huge fan of anything that bolsters up the security in my place. We've unboxed several Eufy cameras on this show, but if you're looking for a little more, this bundle comes complete with a fingerprint smart lock in addition to 2 Eufy cams. So let's get to the good stuff. It's time to unbox this. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. I've got my box cutter right here. We're gonna slice this open. The idea of a fingerprint smart lock sounds so good to me. I'm constantly misplacing my keys. I've locked myself out of my apartment multiple times, and if all I needed to get back into my place was a fingerprint, that would be a game changer. Wow, they package up the user manual so nicely. So we have the user guide right here. We also have these security stickers that you can put outside of your home. Wow, okay, this is neat. I like this. This is your smart lock. Just by looking at it, you can tell it looks like really nice and secure. Now this is your touchpad. Okay. And now in here we have all of these different screws and bolts and brackets, and they're all clearly outlined with what step they are. So we have step 2 right here, step 4 right here, step 5 and 6. So they make it nice and easy for you to install this and set it up yourself. The instructions are outlined very clearly. And then this is also part of step 4, and this is your bracket. All right, let's move on to the cameras. Eufy really went above and beyond with the packaging for this. Okay, so first thing, we have the quick start guide, and we have some more of those stickers. You also have your Apple HomeKit setup guide. Now we have your 2 Eufy cameras, and we have a peel moment. 2 peel moments, actually. So good. And this is your home base. Now here we have your AC adapter. Here are 2 mounts. This is your USB charging cable for the cameras. And this is your Ethernet cable. And here are some screws. And some more screws. All right, you guys, that's everything that comes in those boxes. So let's clean this up. It's a mess. And then we'll get into the details about all of the products. This Eufy Security Smart Lock is like something out of a sci-fi action movie. Gone are the days of pulling out a standard key and inserting it into the lock. Now all you need is your fingerprint. This smart lock recognizes your fingerprint in less than a second, 1/3 of a second to be exact, and it unlocks your door just 1 second later. That is way faster than digging around your purse or your backpack looking for your keys. Setup is easy too. With built-in Wi-Fi, there's really no assembly necessary. That also means you can control it from anywhere with the Eufy Security app. Now, I can't be alone in this. There have been several times that I've walked out of my apartment, gotten in my car, and started driving, only to turn right back around because I questioned if I locked the door. With the smart lock, that anxiety will be a thing of the past. If you're in a hurry and you rush out the door without manually locking it, the smart lock has your back. A built-in sensor will actually detect when your door is closed and lock up automatically. If you have a friend stopping by or a roommate who forgets their key and doesn't have their fingerprint registered with the lock, you can also open the smart lock via the Eufy security app or by entering in a private code via the keypad. For added peace of mind, fingerprints are stored locally rather than in the cloud to keep them safe and private. It's also water resistant, so a rainy day or some snowfall won't disrupt the functionality of your smart lock. Rain or shine, your home will be protected. Not only will your door be ultra protected, your entire home will be too, with the included 100% wire-free Eufy Cam 2C Pro 2 Cam Kit. These cameras use AI technology to identify and focus on humans and will automatically send alerts to your phone when human movement is detected. Now, these also have smart customizable detection zones, so you can stay on top of what happens in the areas around your home that matter most. When the sun goes down, a built-in spotlight illuminates the grounds around you. With military-grade encryption, your footage is kept private, so that's some more peace of mind for you. All of the devices are compatible with Alexa, so you can ask your virtual assistant to unlock the door or broadcast what's happening around your home. Convenience is key. Now, this bundle is pretty unbeatable if peace of mind is what you're after, you guys. Shop for one at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys!